Welcome to the Space Team's Introduction to FAMIS Cloud. With FAMIS Cloud, the Space Team is migrating to the latest version of FAMIS software hosted on Accruent's servers. We will start by learning to search FAMIS Cloud data, which is organized by properties and spaces. Logging in is similar to the way you log into many UNM applications. FAMIS Cloud performs best in Internet Explorer. In the browser, navigate to famis.unm.edu and you will be routed through the global mail sign-in process. Enter your UNM email and password into the prompts. A successful sign-in will bring you to the Find Space page in FAMIS Cloud. Let's begin by searching for a property. In most cases, a property is a building. Open the Property menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Property to open the menu and then select Find Property. You will now see a number of search fields on the main display. Search for your property using any one or combination of fields that represent what you know about that property. The Property search field will take a property name or a building number. Click Find when you have entered your search terms and you will instantly see any results. Viewing property details. Click on your desired property's name and its search result. This will take you to the property's detail page. In addition to the data you see in the property's general information, there are a number of drop-down tabs below with categorized property details. For example, building details contains additional structure details such as year built and net asset category. Another one of these tabs is property space, which contains a list of spaces in the building. These spaces link to their space profiles. If a property is missing any data that you would like to see, email space@unm.edu to let the Space Team know. Searching for a space. Return to the left sidebar and open up the Space menu item. Click on Find Location. The first step to finding a space will be a drop-down menu to select the type of location you would like to find. You will notice that the menu includes the option to search for a property. This option is another way to get the same Find Property window you used earlier. Instead, select Space. The fields to enter space search criteria will appear. Before entering your search terms, make sure that Include Complex Allocations is set to Yes. Complex allocations are FAMIS Cloud's data storage method for many of space's details. As with properties, search for a space using any field or combination of search fields that represent what you know about the space you are looking for. One easy way to find a space is to filter for its property and floor. To do this, next to the property field, click Select. A selection dialog will appear where you can search for a property by name, number, abbreviation, address, or region. Click a property name to add it to your space search terms. To narrow the search down to a floor of the property, select the correct floor descriptor from the drop-down to the left of property. If you know the room number or similar designation for your space, enter it in the space description field. When finished, click Find to get your search results. Viewing a space. In the search results, click on the space you are looking for. This will take you to the space's detail page. A space detail page will function similar to a property's detail page. General information will be at the top, with categorized details in drop-downs below. Here is additional data about the categorization and region associated with room 204 in Castetter Hall. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. You now know how to search for and view locations in FAMIS Cloud. In our next video, we will look at properties and spaces in a different way through the visual map interface.